now I'm going to introduce another vocabulary term. So this first shape here is what we call the first mode shape. So this is the first mode shape. And it's also sometimes referred to as the first harmonic. And so this is produced by shaking your hand at some particular frequency. I could produce it here by setting my frequency to some particular frequency. And as I shake my hand with a higher frequency, I get what's called the second mode shape, or the second harmonic, right? So now we have 3 nodes and 2 antinodes. So constructive and destructive interference at various spots. And so that corresponded to sort of like taking the shape and shortening it and making more of them. And so that would correspond to this machine. If I turn the frequency up, it would actually bring these closer together and it would create more nodes, okay? And if I shook my hand even faster in this rope example, I would get a shape that looks like this. You can try it at home, it's actually pretty doable. And so now I have nodes here, 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 and here. So there's 4 nodes, and I have antinodes here, here, and here. So remember, that's zones of destructive interference, where my wave that I'm sending towards the wall is reflecting back, interfering with itself, and canceling out at these points. And so again, now I've taken the shape and shortened it even more, so the space between these nodes would decrease, and I can do that on this machine. If I increase the frequency, see if I can show you, you're going to start to see these points come together. Just want to, okay, so now you can see it's kind of shortened at this frequency, and they're much shorter wavelengths. This is at 44 hertz now. And so, you know, again, as I keep shaking my hand faster, I get more and more nodes and more antinodes. So I move on to the 3rd mode shape, the 4th, the 5th, etc. And I could keep doing that here. I can keep going to a higher mode shape, and basically that decreases the wavelength. So there you have it. This is a standing wave system, and it works by just increasing the frequency to decrease wavelength.